eerie feeling about this place.
I get that.
Do you?
Yeah, it's real eerie.
That's because we're in Erie County, Erie, Pennsylvania. Yeah, we're going to be heading to Presque Isle, and we're going to be making some Pennsylvania famous food, which would be
Philly cheesesteak.
yeah.
Hopefully pierogies. We tried Walmart. Am I allowed to say that?
Walmart, yeah.
And they had pierogies, but we happen to know that there are two different kinds of pierogies that don't have cheese in them, and they didn't have either one of those kinds. You can either get the classic onion or the sauerkraut, and they only have the yummy kinds, like classic,
With cheese.
like classic cheddar. And,
Rub it in, dear, rub it in.
loaded baked potato.
Oh boy. So now we're off to find some other pierogies
Hopefully.
that I can eat.
Yeah.
We'll keep you posted.
Crash down to the real world now. I told you, you have my heart. We run to where we belong. I told you, you are the one. You're my satellite. Won't you take me higher than the sun? We can go all night till we find our light and show everyone nobody does it like us. When you're feeling down, I know I won't let go. I will catch you when you're spinning out. 'Cause the love we found
That's not easy always.
gold, better than anything I've ever known. When the world's too loud and I need a home, you will be the one that I can call. When the days are long and I've had enough, I know you will be there, 'cause nobody does it better than us. Nobody does it better than us. Nobody does it better than us. Caught up in the feeling now, I keep it in my heart. We run to where we belong. I believe it. You are the one. You're my satellite. Won't you take me higher than the sun? We can go all night till we find our light and show everyone nobody does it like us. When you're feeling down, I know I won't let go. I will catch you when you're spinning out. 'Cause the love we found, it's worth more than gold. Better than anything I've ever known. When the world's too loud and I need a home, you will be the one that I can call. When the days are long and I've had enough, I know you will be
So we stopped here at Presque Isle State Park and we cooked up our Philly cheesesteaks, and what else did we cook up?
Pierogis. We found pierogis, the classic onion flavor, so you can have them. I will still enjoy them.
Thank you, Giant Eagle.
No cheese, but
right?
Yeah, they're still good.
Yeah, so we're pretty hungry. Found a cool little spot here next to the beach. This place is pretty nice. I do like it.
When you look right here,
Yeah.
it doesn't at all look like Pennsylvania. It kind of looks like Florida or somewhere
Right?
tropical.
Nice sandy beach the whole way down. Definitely worth the trip up here if you're ever in this area.
I think we're gonna get a good sunset too.
Yeah, maybe get a cool picture of the sunset. If you have patience with me. All right, I'm hungry. Let's eat.
Yeah.
Try this.
It's pretty good, and I am not a Philly steak and cheese kind of girl, so.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Tell you what. This little guy wants my Philly cheesesteak. So does that guy. But he's not gonna get it.
I might give them some bread when we're all done, because I'm not gonna eat all my bread.
Well, there was a sign that said do not feed the wildlife.
Was there? Then I'm not gonna give them any of my bread, even if they beg.
Yeah. Hey, that's a good life lesson. Don't feed the wildlife.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, you get it?
I do.
That's our lesson for today. Don't feed the wildlife.
What's the opposite of wildlife? Home life?
Calm. Yeah. Wow, is this beautiful. Yes, Pennsylvania, you do know one thing for sure. Philly cheesesteak. Oh yeah. They have a pretty good football team too. I'm a Pittsburgh fan. I mean, I'm not a huge football kind of guy, but I do like Pittsburgh. Beautiful city.
I'm just not gonna say anything about that.
But these are from Philly, so.
I mean, I like the city.
Hey, where was Rocky from? Philly?
I think so, yeah.
Rocky's cool. Philly cheesesteaks, yummy. Good job, Philly.
Pierogis, yummy.
Oh yeah. Good job. Well, I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna eat
Good idea.
and enjoy this beautiful sunset. And that's how you do it, folks. I just wanted her to kiss me that many times.
What did you say? Did you say you just
I said I just wanted you to kiss me that many times.
Aww. I didn't mind.
Probably have Philly cheesesteak stuck in my teeth.
I probably do.
Well, folks, that about wraps up this adventure. We had an awesome time cooking up some Pennsylvania-inspired food and enjoying it on the beach while the sun made its nightly descent, playing hide and seek with its celestial family till morning. Thank you so much for joining us. If this is your first time here, we hope you stick around and check out some of our other adventures. If you are a fellow adventurer who's been along for the journey some time now, may you be blessed. Until we meet again, Godspeed.